point of view lays stress upon customers' welfare. Answer D. Social marketing. Sales promotion is helpful in making effective. Answer C. Both the above. Which of the following is a sales promotion activity? Answer D. All the above. Develop relationship. Answer D. Public relation. Customer satisfaction alone can ensure success. Which marketing concept holds this view? Answer C. Marketing concept. Which of the following is a factor of marketing mix? Answer D. All the above. Under which philosophy of marketing efforts and made to bring down the cost of production to the minimum? Answer A. Production concept. Under which concept the companies push for the betterment of the quality of their products in their effort for marketing? Answer B. Product concept. Is objection to advertisement? Answer A. Undermines social values. Which of the following is an example of Dunlop? Answer C. Brand name. The consumers' organizations collect the samples of products for. Answer B. Check them. Disputes of amount are settled at the level of district forum. Answer D. Up to rupees 20 lakh. Which of the following act is related to consumers protection? Answer A. Consumer Protection Act 1986. Who of the following cannot be considered a consumer? Answer D. All the above. Who of the following cannot file a complaint? Answer B. Consumer association that has not been recognized. Which of the following is a consumer organization? Answer D. All of these. When a single consumer fails to get his rights protected, he seeks the help of. Answer B. Consumer association. Consumer Protection Act is applicable to. Answer D. All goods and services. Which one of the following is not a reason for importance of consumer protection from the point of view of consumers? Answer B. Consumer apathy. In which year did Consumer Protection Act come to existence? Answer A. 1986. The total number of rights given to consumers as per Consumer Protection Act is. Answer C. 6. Consumer has the right to present before the appropriate forum of authorities all those matters which affect his interest. This right of consumer is termed as right to be. Answer B. Heard. The minimum age limit for being a member of district forum as per Consumer Protection Act is. Answer B. 35. The maximum age limit of a person who can be member in National Commission is. Answer B. 70. To be a member in any redress forum, the person should have minimum dash years of experience. Answer B. 10. Among the following, which forum can reappoint the same person as its member? Answer D. None of the above. When did the Consumer Protection Act come into force? Answer D. 20 July 2020. Section 35 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019 deals with dash. Answer A. Manner in which complaint shall be made. Section 40 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019 deals with dash. Answer A. Review by District Commission in certain cases. What is the maximum age of the member of the State Commission? Answer B. 67. A consumer should follow which responsibility while purchasing, using and consuming goods and services? Answer D. All of the above. Rights of consumer are protected under dash. Answer A. Consumer Protection 1986. From the point of view of business, which one of the following is a reason because of which consumer protection is important? Answer C. Government intervention. Which one of the following is not a consumer right? Answer C. Right to get discount. Dash is a standardized mark on jewelry. Answer C. Hallmark. Which is not a function of PDS? Answer D. Consumer redressal. National Consumer Day is celebrated in India. Answer A. 24 December. Pick the odd one out. Answer D. CBI. Who can file a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act 1986? Answer D. All of the above. Dash a standardized mark is printed on jewelry. Answer D. Hallmark. The state commissions are set up in each state by dash. Answer D. State government. Rights of a consumer are protected under dash. Answer B. Consumer Protection Act 1986. A district forum has jurisdiction to entertain a consumer complaint involving product value. Answer A. Up to 20 lakh. Dash mark is used for electrical products. Answer A. ISI. Fixed capital requirements are determined by. Answer A. Nature of business. The rights of consumers as per Consumer Protection Act does not include right to be. Answer D. Presented